Episode 1. You've just arrived at a busy restaurant in New York. Let's learn how to ask for a table and start your order.
Hi there. Welcome in. How many people?
Just one, please.
How are you tonight?
I'm good, thanks. Just a bit tired. I've been walking around the city all day.
I can imagine. New York can be exhausting. How many people?
Just me.
Would you like a table or a seat at the bar?
A table, please.
Let me check. We're pretty busy tonight, so there might be a short wait.
No problem. How long?
Around 10 minutes.
That's fine.
Great. Can I get your name?
Sure, it's James.
Perfect. I'll call you when your table's ready.
Thanks.
James? Your table's ready. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Nice. This looks great.
Your server will be right with you.
Thanks.
Hi, good evening. How's it going?
Pretty good, thanks.
I'm Jake. I'll be taking care of you tonight. Can I get you something to drink?
Yeah, sure. What do you recommend?
If you like beer, we have a great local one, Brooklyn Lager.
Oh, nice. Is it strong?
Not really. It's smooth and easy to drink.
Sounds good. I'll try that.
Great choice. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Here you go, one Brooklyn Lager.
Thank you.
So, are you visiting?
Yeah, it's my first time here.
Oh, nice. Where are you from?
I am from Rome, Italy.
That's amazing. I've always wanted to go there.
You should. It's beautiful.
I bet. What have you seen so far?
I went to Central Park and Times Square today.
That's the full New York experience.
Yeah, and now I'm starving.
I hear that a lot.
The menu looks great, but I'm still deciding.
No rush. Let me know if you have any questions.
Actually, I do.
Sure.
What's the difference between the spaghetti bolognese and the lasagna?
The bolognese is pasta with a slow-cooked meat sauce. The lasagna has layers of pasta, cheese, and meat baked in the oven.
Got it.
The lasagna is heavier, but it's one of our most popular dishes.
That sounds really good.
Yeah, people love it.
All right, I'll take another minute.
No problem. I'll be back in a bit.
Next, watch Episode 2 to learn how to order your food.